Hi everyone. I have recently started my journey of being an indie app developer. What an indie app developer is basically if you develop or produce an app with just by yourself or with a very small team. Like in this case, I was full time on this and my friend was part time on this. This is an indie app project. What we've made is it's called this app Hydration Hero Water Tracker. It's on pre-release right now because uh, trying to understand how to market it, but basically what it is a very basic water tracker, but not just a water tracker. It helps you hydrate, understand how much hydration you need uh, per each drink that you take. So because not each drink hydrates you 100%. Coffee will give you lesser hydration, alcohol will actually dehydrate you, so you need to drink more water. So it keeps all that in check to give you more optimized suggestion. Along with that, it's also very gamified, so you can have your own unique avatar, so you can create different versions of yourself to suit each individual person. You can have different challenges. You can challenge your friends. So like if you want a group of friends want to not have alcohol for a week, for a month, it's a big step. You can try and do this and be self accountable and accountable to each other to help and promote a good habit. You can also promote habits like having more green tea or quitting coffee. So, this is something which I think is the most useful for people who are not much into the gamification but much into the utility part of the thing. And then you also can set your own hydration goal if you're an athlete. Then if you have a professional that can tell you your intake goal, then you can input your own goal. It'll give you your basic stats about your drinking habits and when do you reach your hydration goals the most, and it'll also give you badges and streaks as you progress, and it keeps you motivated to keep going. So every day you get a streak, you get a number up, there's a confetti and say okay, you've still got it. The more streaks you get, the more badges you unlock. So it's a gamified system to keep you engaged and keeping you hydrated in the longer term. You can set your own reminders and all that basic stuff. What this app is for us is like a trial to see how an indie app project like this would work for us. Mm, Our marketing strategy right now is very basic. So this video is one marketing strategy. Then reaching out to people on Reddit, looking at some influencer, possibly if we can afford them. I've done the Apple Search Ad certification, so that may come in handy. You get $100 free credit, so you can also see the ROI. If you get some return on investment on it, you can put in more money into it. Other than that, this is pretty much a new territory for us to go through. So I will be updating you guys how it goes. If you see this video, if you click a pre-order, it might most likely help Apple algorithm to understand that this is a desirable product, might push it more up in the algorithm. There's a lot of things about App Store optimization that I will be doing and I will be putting on the channel if you want to follow. If you, I should give a sneak preview of what the app actually does. So basically, when you open the app, you get like a roulette. You can track your intake. You have your sort of a Tamagotchi kind of a character style. So these characters, you have different variations of them. So you have a humanoid version, a robo, and a fish. They all can be edited and made your own in the way you want. So they all have a lot of variations. This one has the most variations, so you can make him look like however you want. I like one of his Goku looks, so I keep him as like Goku when I use him. But you can have a lot of different looks for your character, and it's designed to keep it very inclusive of all the people out there as much as possible. Designing this was very hard to make all animation work with each constraint, but this is something I'm very proud of that it works well. So basically, yeah, you get this animation, you get this character, you select it, then it becomes your avatar. So this avatar is used when you challenge your other friends and people. When you send them an invite, they see this. Oh, so ABC has challenged me. They look like Goku. Cool. So if you go and drink your water, you can see him pick up the water from the table. So that is something like a more interesting experience. And after drinking the water, well, in this one I unlocked a badge because I made a challenge and won my own challenge. But there's different badges along in the whole app that you can experience. So when you drink your water, every drink will give you a different reaction. For example, water, he was relaxed. So if I drink coffee, then we'll see him getting hyper. So he's gonna be like, yay, a spokes. So he's happy. And if you go beer, what happens when you drink beer? We get tipsy. So he missed the beer table, bug has to be fixed, but he gets tipsy. Yeah, he's still tipsy. So yeah, that's the app. I can show you guys more. If you like what you're seeing right now, please comment. And yeah, click on the pre-order if you're interested in seeing more of this app. I will share more of the snippets, more on the shorts, using the hashtag build in public. That's it. See you soon.